Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car you've got 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside though you've got the touchscreen. Now this features DAB digital radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 Blue HDI engine. It gives you 120 horsepower and there's a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's regularly been serviced with ourselves and has done under 19,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.